What's up guys, welcome to the Real Katherin Rojas YouTube channel. I'm super excited for this video because you guys have been asking for it, and here I will bring you guys a nighttime skincare routine, and I'm super excited because I'm going to show you step by step, and not just that, I'm going to show you also what products I use. Here I'm going to start with the Be Balance from Monat. I absolutely love this product. This is the cleanser, which is great for dry and oily skin. It balances it. First thing I do is I put it on my T-zone, which is everything from your cheeks to your forehead and your chin and the nose. Right after cleansing your face, you already feel your pores are extremely clean and you feel so fresh. Now I go to my next step, which is the Very Refined Scrub. You apply the same way, which I like to put a little bit like this and pass it through my T-zone. I always like to start in my T-zone. I love that it has so many oils that you can feel your face hydrating with the scrub. I even like to put it in my neck too. Okay, so after you have put the scrub and washed your face, I'm gonna go to my next product. So my next product is the Water Refining Treatment, which is right here, also from Monat. This one is pretty much like a toner. So I'm gonna get a cotton ball. After the water treatment, I go straight to the Eye Smooth. Remember, every skin is different, so make sure that you're using the products that work for you. And of course, I like to finish the routine with the moisturizer. Guys, remember to take care of your skin. Remember that not just how you eat, it's not just how you work out. Remember, health and wellness goes all around. So keeping your skin healthy will help you not just look better, but feel better. So this is my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I showed you guys all the products. If you have any questions on products, on any steps, please don't hesitate to DM me and message me so I can help you get the products that work for you. Remember, we have different skin types. So just because I'm using these products, that doesn't mean that it's gonna work for you. And I'm ready for bed. This is the lip sleeping mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more video like this, explaining any of the products or even just doing maybe a daytime skincare routine, let me know in the comments below. Also, I want to know how you do your skincare routine. I hope you guys love this video as much as I love filming it for you guys. Remember to go and give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to be you, be beautiful, because there's nobody else like you.